Hey friend, welcome to Grace for the Distracted, the podcast for purpose-driven adults with ADHD who are learning to live with compassion, creativity, and calm in the chaos. I'm eBay Giant Killer, and today we're talking about a question that can really mess with our identity. Is it laziness or is it executive dysfunction? If you've ever felt frozen in front of a task, shamed yourself for not doing something simple, or wondered why you just can't push through, this one's for you. Laziness is about lack of desire or willingness. Executive dysfunction is about the inability to act even with the desire to do so. People with ADHD often want to do the thing. We care deeply, but our brains have trouble initiating, organizing, or following through. It's not a moral failure, it's a neurological barrier. When we don't understand that, we start labeling ourselves as lazy, unreliable, selfish, but those labels don't reflect our truth. Executive dysfunction can look like knowing what you need to do but not starting, getting stuck in a mental loop of planning with no action, starting a task but leaving it halfway without knowing why, and avoiding things that feel overwhelming even when they're important. But this is not about willpower. It's about a brain that needs support, not scolding. And God doesn't call you lazy. He calls you beloved. He remembers that we are dust, not robots. Here's a few strategies that can help. Break it down. One step at a time is better than none. Use external cues, timers, checklists, and visual reminders to reduce overwhelm. Talk it out. Verbalizing your plan to someone else can create accountability. And celebrate starts. Even 5-minute counts. Show up for yourself. And don't forget to invite God into your struggle. Pray this simple prayer. God, give me the grace to begin and the peace not to shame myself if I can't. You're not lazy. You're living with a brain that works differently. And God knows that. Be kind to yourself. Take one small step. And remember, you are beautifully wired. And there's always grace for the distracted.